What is an LLM? What does RAG mean? How do AI agents actually work? If these questions make you feel lost, you're not alone. Tech is moving fast and nobody is slowing down to explain it properly. Until now. Welcome to SimpleTech. I'm Shafiq, a software engineer, and I started this channel because I remember what it felt like graduating from college and realizing that the real world speaks a completely different language. Kubernetes, microservices, tokens, embeddings. Nobody explains these things simply, so I decided to do it myself. Every video on this channel takes a complex technical concept and breaks it down so anyone can understand it. Fresh graduate trying to land your first job, we've got you. Switching careers into tech, we've got you. Non-technical person who wants to understand what AI actually is, we've got you too. No jargon, no assumptions, just clear visual explanations that actually make sense. We already have a full library waiting for you. How LLMs work, AI APIs explained, prompt engineering, AI agents, RAG, coding assistants, REST APIs, databases, how the internet works. And we're adding new videos every week, each one designed to give you the knowledge that they never taught you in college. Hit subscribe and join thousands of learners who are finally understanding tech the way it should have been explained from the start. SimpleTech. What they didn't teach you in college.